Before you can install your WordPress blog, you need to upload all of the WordPress installation files to your web host. And the way that I'm going to show you how to do this is using an FTP program. So I have open Filezilla right now, which is an open source FTP program. You can get it for Windows, Mac, Linux, and it works just about exactly the same on all of them. That's one of the reasons I like using it. The files on this side of the FTP program are the files that are on my local computer. So I've opened up to the folder where I have all the WordPress installation files. Now the files and folders that you would see on this side would be the server that you're connected to. And as you can see right now, I'm not connected to any server. I need to set up my connection information to be able to connect to my web server. So if I click on this Sites button, I have my connection settings for my site now, but if I wanted to add a new one from scratch, I would just click New Site, and I would have to configure all the information. Now, where you get all this information is from the cPanel or the control panel on your web hosting provider. If you scroll down to where it says Files and you click FTP Accounts, you can create a new account. So I'm going to create one called WordPress, and I'll give it a password, and I'll set the folder that I want to have access to, and I'll click Create FTP Account. Now you can see all the FTP accounts that I have created. So if I go to the one that I just created, I'll click Configure FTP Client, and you'll notice it has all the settings here that I want to put in my FTP client. So all the settings that need to go here, or even better, I could download a configuration file. So if I just click configuration file, I could open that in Filezilla and it would work. But what I want to do is copy the information here. So I'll name the site. I need to get my host. I want to get the port and the username, and I'll put the password that I made up and click connect. And you can see I'm connected to my web host, and I want to upload all my WordPress files, so I'll just select all the files and I'll drag them across from my local computer to my web host and drop them here. And when all the files finish uploading, I can just disconnect my FTP client from my web host and I'm done. So that's how you use your FTP client to upload your WordPress installation files to your web server.